Welcome! We would like to remind all users of Digitex alarm sirens that our sirens enable you to issue the voice messages. Voice messages can be issued live as well as from previous recorded files. Some our alarm sirens are equipped with special text-to-speech functionality, and so they can also issue messages uploaded in the text form. To make live messages through the sirens, log to the dispatcher system. After logging in, on the left-hand side, choose the sirens that you want to issue the message. It can be all of them or just a few selected ones. After choosing the sirens, click the button with the microphone icon and enter the special user's PIN. And now you can press button Play Audio. Remember, to successfully broadcast the live message, hold the microphone button. The icon will turn red and you can see the live acoustic in the form of color bars below. Now your voice is transmitting through the sirens. After finishing the live broadcast, close this window.